Pretend play can be a wonderful gift for a child. Have you ever imagined the stories or games a child might create with the items in your shoebox? Well, today I'm sharing a gift that's all about colorful pretend play through one of my favorite nostalgic toys. Wait till you see what's inside this very, very Christmas box. Sweet tea daily, spreading the light. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. It's taken me a little while to get back into making videos again, and I really appreciate your patience. Things have been a little extra full around here lately. My son just headed back to college yesterday, and we also had some wonderful family come to visit after the new year. So I did take a little break just to soak in those special moments, but I'm so excited to finally share this strawberry shortcake shoebox with you. This box has been many months in the making. I've been waiting patiently for items to go on sale and crafting some items just to add some handmade touches. And every detail was chosen with care, and I can't wait to show you how it all came together. So let's jump in and take a look at this very, very sweet gift. This gift is for a girl who's 5 to 9, and I found this box at Hobby Lobby. It was 80% off, and the cover says Merry Christmas, and it has some gingerbread, and it's brightly colored, and I just thought it was really festive and cute. And then the lid design says, "Have a very berry Christmas. Jesus loves you." And if you like this lid design, you can go on sweetteadaily.com and print it off for your own shoe boxes. Right on the top, she has this very cute little gingerbread girl. She has a cute little dress on and a little bow. She has some beans in her, so it gives her a little bit of a weight. And she's just very soft. I found her at the Hallmark store, and I had a gift card, so that helped offset some of the expense. But anyway, she's just so sweet and so soft. The next item I'll show you is this soft blanket. I found this at Five Below. And I have put some rubber bands around it, some hair ties around it, so that it can fit in this box more easily. And I will display a picture on the screen so that you can see what it looks like. It's really cute and soft. And anyway, I thought it would be perfect for a strawberry shortcake box. I'm going to move her over so that I can show you her wow gifts. Are these strawberry shortcake dolls. This one is called Orange Blossom, and I have actually had her in my stash for a long time, actually my collection. I like to collect these little dolls, and she's never been played with. She was new out of the box, and I was just ready to send her along. I just think that she will be well loved by a 5 to 9-year-old little girl. The next doll is Plum Pudding, and I found her on sale. She is on Amazon Haul, but she's $15 on Amazon Haul, and I think that's a little bit steep. I know I didn't pay $15 for her. I think I paid around $8 for her maybe. Anyway, she articulates. Her little arms and legs bend. She's so cute. I love her little glasses and her little outfit. Isn't she cute? And I think she comes with some accessories. You see, she comes with a little purse and a comb. And it looks like an owl with an accordion. And then the star of the show, Strawberry Shortcake herself. And I bought this strawberry shortcake a really long time ago, I think a year ago, and she was on sale. I got her on sale on Amazon. Anyway, she also has her arms and legs articulate as well. She comes with some stickers, a little strawberry basket. This is a little lunchbox. See if I can get it open. I put something in here. Hang on. She has a little mini composition book. And then she comes with a comb and with her little kitty cat. I have a few more strawberry shortcake toys. I found these at Five Below, and I've been collecting them little by little. Here we have a mint julep. She is so cute, and these actually have a little bit of a smell to them. She smells like perfume to me. They're sweetly scented, but not too much, if that makes sense. Little strawberry shortcake doll. And I think that this is, I think he is almond something. I don't remember. Anyway, isn't he cute? He's got a little teapot there, maybe almond tea. I don't remember that one from my childhood, but I thought it was really cute. And here is her little kitty cat. I wonder if it's in here. Oh, almond tea and mint julep. Anyway, thought those would be fun. You know, these were some of my favorite toys to play with when I was a child. I didn't have this many, but I really enjoy playing with my strawberry shortcake. And I had apple dumpling and tea time turtle, and I had so much fun with those. I hope this little girl will have fun with them too. Next, I have her hygiene kit. And in her hygiene kit, I included 3 strawberry shortcake hair bows. And she has a toothbrush and a brush and a nail kit and a couple of rubber bands for her hair and some Band-Aids and a washcloth. And I'll show you a picture on the screen too so that you can see everything that's included in this. Here are her school supplies, and I'm not going to unpack all of these. I will show you a picture on the screen so that you can see everything that I have placed in her school supply bag. Here is her underwear, and I've been putting these underwear inside satin bags. I have blue for boys and pink for girls. I've heard that the children prefer them to be discreet, and so that's why I've been putting them in bags. She has a pair of strawberry shortcake socks. A t-shirt with cherries and strawberries on it, and I found this at Walmart. She has a strawberry shortcake notebook for school. I found this at Five Below. And I'm also including some, these are just some scratch and sniff stickers. I'm including a strawberry sweet surprise board book so that she can see that these dolls are characters that go to a story. And I liked the pictures. They were just really happy and sweet. So that's why I'm including this. Including our letter and our photo to the child, a box of crayons. And this next item I worked really hard on. This is available on sweetteadaily.com. And these are little paper dolls that you can dress up. And I will show you a picture on the screen of all the different outfits. And then along with the outfits that you can use to dress the dolls, I am including the sticky tack so that they can stick the outfits on. Another thing that you can do is use Velcro. Velcro dots would be really good. Or you could just include the pages and they could cut out the items and glue them on if they wanted to, or tape them on. So anyway, this is available on sweetteadaily.com if you're interested in making it for your own shoeboxes. I loved paper dolls growing up. Another item that I made for this shoebox is called Happy Hearts Coloring Book. And this is also available on sweetteadaily.com. Anyway, it's just some really sweet pictures. Let me turn around. Okay, this will be easier for y'all to see and for me to show you. But, well, I thought it would be. Maybe not. Okay, there we go. But like I said, this is on sweetteadaily.com. And my goal was to make just a really sweet coloring book that would be good for all the ages. Just fun and happy and sweet. Just wanted to focus on friendship and play. And I really love to make these coloring books, y'all, and it's my joy to share them. Actually, this one is near and dear to my heart because this is supposed to be my daughter and her friend who love to make bead bracelets and necklaces. And anyway, so that one is special. Another item I have for her is a ruler for school. And then last, a bag for her to use for school or to fit all of her items in case she can't fit them all back in the box. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoy this very, very Christmas box. It's always my joy to share with you. I hope you have a wonderful day today. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles